I hope you are all doing well this morning. Okay, we're going to learn Igbo rhyme today. And the topic is, or the title is, Nnenne. Let's go. Nnenne, udumara potamo, udum. Nnenne, udumara potamo, udum. Udum jichubi mama maginu dwawa udum. Udum jichubi mama maginu dwawa udum. Obumu sorudu kobumu rapudula udum. Obumu sorudu kobumu rapudula udum. Udum kemo udumara potamo udum. Udum kemo udumara potamo udum. So that is the end of the rhyme. Take your time, go through it over and over and get